Asiana 214 Heavy, emergency vehicles are responding. Emergency vehicles are responding.
Okay, now it's,
Cessna 737 Zulu Delta, San Francisco Tower, remain clear of the San Francisco Class Bravo airspace. Contact San Carlos Tower.
Please show all runways closed for the time being, please.
All runways are closed. Airport is closed. San Francisco Tower.
Roger that.
Horizon 635, San Francisco Tower. Asiana 214 Heavy, San Francisco Tower.
Fred 635, go around.
Horizon 635, fly heading 265, maintain 3,100.
265, 3,100, Horizon 635.
Asiana 214 Heavy, emergency vehicles are responding. We have everyone on their way.
Everybody on ground, it's going to be a while. Just hold your position and do not acknowledge.
Yes, this is Unit 885. We are holding to the tree left. We see people, and I think they should need immediate attention because they're alive and walking around.
United 885 Heavy, roger. I think you said people are just walking outside the airplane right now?
Yeah, some people look like it's struggling.
Roger, we have emergency vehicles responding.
All right, thank you.